Hello everyone, I am Socrates Bharati. So far we are seeing it how can we use Metasploit framework. This came from pre-installed with Kali Linux. Today I like to show you Metasploit community. This is a web graphical user interface. This also have an extra feature. It can be used, discover open port just like a Nmap and install services. Let me show you how to use it and make you clear. This tool is not included in Kali Linux. We are going to download following the link. I am already downloaded and installed. Just I will show you how to process it. First thing, I am going to change the permissions. chmod +x installable. Enter. Run any executable in Linux. Just give // and file name. Enter. Click forward. I am already installed, so I wouldn't be able to install the same path, so I am changing to other path. This is a default SSL port. This port I am already used, so I am unable to process with the same port. So I am changing to 3791. I am going to install in my local server. Once hit the forward, it will be installed. So I am already installed, so I am not going to install. Just cancel. Installation is very simple and go forward. Go to your browser. Use HTTPS and localhost :3790. We are going to talk about login details and usage in next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see a lot more video like this, subscribe my channel and share my video. If you have any doubts, comment below.